Hello dear students, today we will discuss about some problems related to exponents of rational numbers. And this is the first problem. The problem is 9 by 11 to the power minus 3 into 9 by 11 to the power minus 7 divided by 9 by 11 to the power minus 3, which is equal to, here the base is 9 by 11 and two bases are same, so use the formula a to the power m into a to the power n equal to a to the power m plus n. So here we write, here two bases are same, 9 by 11. So here we write the base, that is 9 by 11 to the power minus 3 plus bracket minus 7 divide by 9 by 11 to the power minus 3. It's equal to 9 by 11 to the power minus 3 plus into minus minus 7 divided by 9 by 11 to the power minus 3 equal to 9 by 11 to the power minus 3 minus 7. Since two signs are negative, the sign before 7 is negative and sign before 3 is negative, so we add these two numbers, that is 3 plus 7, which is 10. And since two signs is negative, so here we write minus 10 divide by 9 by 11 to the power minus 3. And here we use the formula a to the power m divided by a to the power n equal to a to the power m minus n. We just subtract two integral powers, and here we write 9 by 11 to the power m minus n. That m is minus 10 minus n is minus 3, which is equal to 9 by 11 to the power minus 10 minus into minus plus 3 equal to 9 by 11 to the power minus 10 plus 3. So one sign is negative and another sign is positive, so we just subtract it. Here larger number is 10, 10 minus 3 is 7, and we observe the sign before the larger number. Which one is larger? Here 10 is the larger number because 10 is greater than 3 and the sign before 10 is negative, so here we write minus 7 is equal to, that the integral power is negative, so we just reciprocal the number, that is 11 by 9 whole to the power 7, and this is the final answer. And we observe the next questions. This is the next questions. 2 by 3 to the power minus 2 into 3 by 4 to the power minus 3 into 7 by 8 to the power 0. At first, since integral power is negative minus 2, so we just reciprocal this number, that is reciprocal of 2 by 3 is 3 by 2. 3 by 2 and minus 2 become plus 2, that is 3 by 2 whole square into, here integral power is also negative, so we just reciprocal this number, that is 4 by 3 minus become plus, that is plus 3 into, observe that the integral power is 0, so we just use this result, a to the power 0 equal to 1 for any integer a. Hence we just write 7 minus 7 by 8 to the power 0, since power is 0, so here we write 1 equal to 3 by 2 whole square, which is equal to 3 square by 2 square, that is 3 square means 9 and 2 square is 4 into 4 by 3 whole cube equal to 4 cube by 3 cube. 4 cube is 64 and 3 cube is 27, and here is 1. We multiply this number by 1, and we know that if we multiply any integer by 1, then we get the same integer. So here we write only 9 by 4 into 64 by 27 equal to, we just cancel it, 4 16 are 64 and 9 3s are 27 equal to 16 by 3, and this is the final answer. And the next questions. Next question is, this is the equations and we have to solve x. So here we write here we note two integral powers. Here is 4 and here is also 4. Then we use the formula a to the power m into b to the power m equal to a into b whole to the power m. And here since we write a is 35 by 11 into b is 11 by 7 whole to the power 4 equal to 5 to the power x. Implies that we just cancel it. 11 cancel and 7 5 are 35. That is only 5. 5 to the power 4 equal to 5 to the power x. Implies that here note that two bases are same. Here is 5 and there is also 5. And we use the result a to the power m equal to a to the power n, then m equal to n. That is, if bases are equal, then the integral power must be equal. That is m equal to n. Hence we write here integral power is 4 equals to, and here is integral power is x. That is 4 equals to x, and hence x equal to 4. And this is the final answer. And the next questions. Next question is, find the reciprocal of this number. At first, let's see. Here 8 by 11 square whole to the power minus 5. So we use the formula a to the power m whole to the power n equal to a to the power m into n. That is, we multiply these two integral powers, and hence we write 8 by 11 to the power 2 into minus 5 equal to minus 10 into 11 by 8 to the power minus 12 equal to, note that here integral power is negative. So we just reciprocal this number, that is 11 by 8 to the power minus 10 become plus 10 into, here is 11 by 8 and here is 11 by 8. So we just write 11 by 8 to the power minus 12 equal to, since two bases are same, so we use this formula a to the power m into a to the power n equal to a to the power m plus n. We just add these two integral powers, and so we write 11 by 8 to the power 10 plus bracket minus 12 equal to 11 by 8 to the power 10 plus into minus minus 10 minus 12 equal to minus 2 equal to, integral power is negative, so we just reciprocal it, that is 11 by 8 whole square, which equal to 8 square means 64 and 11 square is 121. And reciprocal of 64 by 121 is 121 by 64, and this is the final answer. And the final questions. Here we have to simplify this. Note that here the power is negative, 1 by 3 to the power minus 1, and we use the result a to the power minus 1 equal to 1 by a. We just reciprocal this number, and hence we write 1 by 3 to the power minus 1. Here reciprocal of 1 by 3 is 3, so here we write 3. Divide by, that is also power minus 1, so reciprocal of 5 is 1 by 5 bracket, that is whole square, into integral power is negative, so we reciprocal it. Reciprocal of 4 by 7 is 7 by 4 and minus 2 become plus 2, that is square, equal to 3 into 1 by 5 is in 1 by 5 is become 5 whole square into 7 by 4 whole square. 3 into 5 whole square equal to 3 square into 5 square into 7 by 4 whole square equal to 7 square by 4 square equal to 9 into 25 into 7 square is 49 by 16 equal to, we just multiply the number 9 into 25 into 49, which equal to 11,025 by 16, and this is the final answer. Hope you can understand, and thanks for watching.